They say the pain is mightier than the sword. But after Idsa, the pain became a mirror, reflecting a society trying to help from its wounds. Were those reflections a sign of hope or a haunting reminder of the past? Today, we'll be talking about among the disappeared Ricky Lee. Ricardo Lee or Ricky Lee was born on March 19, 1948 in Dait, Philippines. Born from a Chinese father and a Filipino mother in Dait, Camarines Norte. Lee was largely brought up in a Chinoy household by his paternal relatives. This story dives into the painful reality of the Subanis during martial law. People taking for political reasons whose families never get answers. Rick Lee, a celebrated writer and screenwriter, his purpose certainly is to shelter his dark times. His works, including Himala and Jaguar, have received international recognition.
Among the disparate is deeply rooted in the aftermath of martial law. Under the former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., thousands of people known as the Desaparecidos were abducted and never seen again. This left family searching for truth, justice, and closure. Even after this IDSA revolution, the scars of the era remain. Ricky Lee's story captured this lingering trauma and its impact on the nation.
This story is about more than just the disappeared. It is about memory, identity, and justice. The power of memory. The main character tries to face together his past to understand who he is. The story shows how important it is to remember history so we don't repeat its mistake. Identity and belonging. The protagonist's search for his missing parents reflects his search for self. Many Filipinos, especially those affected by martial law, struggle with their own identity in the nation, still healing from its past. Hope and resilience. Despite the pain, the story reminds us that Filipinos continue to fight for truth and justice, proving that resilience is the key to healing.
Ricky Lee uses a powerful symbol to enhance the story message. The Desaparecidos are the disappeared, more than just missing individuals. They symbolize a collective trauma that still haunts the Philippines today. Junjun Invisibility, the main character. Junjun represents those left behind, the ones who are unheard and ignored. His struggles reflects the pain of families still searching for the truth.
Junjun, a young man trying to understand the past, he represents the generation still grappling with martial law's effects. Genie, his presence offers an outsider perspective, showing how the pain of martial law is not just personal but national. The grandmother and mother, these symbolize the families left behind. Those who continues to suffer without closure, even though martial law ended decades ago. Among the disappeared remains relevant. Today, human rights issues and political oppression still exist, not just in the Philippines but around the world. These stories serve as a reminder to never forget the past and to continue fighting for justice.
Ricky Lee among the disparate is more than just a story. It's a reflection of real people pain, loss, and searching for truth. Through Junjun's journey, we see the long-lasting effect of political violence. Post-IDSA literature like this plays a crucial role in keeping history alive. It challenges us to think, to remember, and to ask, how can we make sure these stories are never been forgotten? I am John Lester.
I am Liza Angel B. Amigable.
I am Jasmine.